This is the 6th day of the Hornbill, 26th edition of the Hornbill Festival 2025. Aro mohanso manu janya nishna last year do wile food la price aro khana la price to bishi increase huina expensive ase gona criticism be bishi paina thaise wile be this time do Nagaland government aro especially tourism department rawi tahan meeting khan loina advice kurina stalls khan kiman ase food stalls khan yare Kisama heritage village te tan sob kewi maximum 350 de cap kuna ase to itula opore aji mohan tourist khan hoile be local tourist hoile be domestic tourist khan hoile be tahan ge honest opinion hudi sawa aro itu Kisama heritage la experience be tahan kina improve kuro pare itula opinion hudi sawa. Alright, so how are you finding the Hornbill Festival so far?
Yeah, it's very good. We have just tried the rice beer. It's great. Yeah.
I'll ask you one question. So, how do you find the prices of the food and drinks out here?
Price I don't think it's too expensive. Yeah, we can handle it. Yeah, it's reasonable.
I think it's reasonable for what they have arranged here. And we don't have any reference either. Like in similar fest, it's almost the same only for the whatever. But this is a different sort of menu also. This is not something that what we find outside Nagaland also. So I think it's reasonable for what it is.
Thank you so much for your time. So, sir and ma'am, how are you feeling the Hornbill Festival so far? How is it going?
You are very happy to visit this place. Hornbill Festival is really very nice. First time we have visited this place. Or enjoy the cultural program and all the stalls around area. And arrangements is very nice. It's very clean also compared to other places. Other melas and other festivals also we have seen. So it's thankful to this Nagaland government and the organizer of this Hornbill festivals.
That is so nice of you. So, have you tried any drinks or food out here at Kisama?
We have taken foods around, but not drink. We don't take drink.
Okay. What about you?
Only food.
So, regarding food, how do you find the price of the food here?
Reasonable. It's not much. We have seen, yeah.
It's okay.
Quite reasonable.
Okay.
I enjoyed a lot. Food also is good. Foods are also good here, but we enjoy a lot.
So, you think that the price here, the price of the food that is here, everyone can afford? Is it affordable?
Yeah. Everybody can afford the prices of all the meals and other items also. Compared to other places, is reasonable one.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a great time ahead. So, आपका पूरा एक्सपीरियंस किसामा का जो ये हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल है तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है अभी?
मुझे तो अभी फिलहाल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। यहाँ में तो पहले भी आया है, पहले भी बहुत अच्छा लगा है, अभी भी इस बार भी अच्छा ही लगा है, यही है।
Alright. तो आपने यहाँ का फूड और ड्रिंक्स ट्राई किया कभी?
हाँ, ट्राई किया, ट्रेडिशनल तो ट्राई किया है हमने, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है।
तो यहाँ का प्राइसिंग कैसा लगा आपको? फूड और ड्रिंक्स का प्राइसिंग जो यहाँ पे रेट है हर मॉर्निंग पे या फिर हर फूड स्टॉल पे, वो कैसा लगा?
वो तो इस हिसाब से तो इस मतलब ये फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे तो ऐसा तो मतलब ठीक ही है, इतना भी मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं है, मतलब ये तो पूरा मतलब पूरा मिनिमाइज ही है, ठीक ही है, मतलब अच्छा है मतलब।
तो आपने जो चीज़ खाया या पिया है यहाँ पे, तो आपका सबसे फेवरेट क्या है?
मेरा तो पोर्क ही है, पोर्क और राइस बियर ट्राई किया है, अच्छा लग रहा है। हाँ, ऐसे।
Thank you so much for your time. So, you're from Nagaland itself?
Yes.
Okay, so how has your Hornbill experience been so far?
It has been amazing. Actually, although I'm from here, it's my first time.
Alright.
Yeah, it's my first time.
Quite interesting.
Yeah.
So, have you tried any food or drinks out here in Kisama?
Yeah, we tried the lotamorang. Yeah, we tried the sticky rice and then, some local dishes, their signature dishes. Yeah.
So, I just want to ask you, since you have tried the food out here, how do you find the prices out here in Kisama? Like, I'm sure that you have visited a few morungs or few food stalls. So, how do you find the price out here?
I actually, before coming here, I heard a lot about their expensive, prices. But then, I think it's quite okay only, according to us. Yeah, it wasn't that costly, it wasn't that expensive.
So, we know that most of the people out here in Nagaland belong to the middle class. So, you think that the food out here or anything they want to experience here is expensive? Like, do you think that everyone can afford it?
Obviously, we didn't visit the whole Morang, so it depends. But I think anyone can afford. The prices ranges. Quite fine.
Thank you so much for your time. So we just bumped into the very famous Desi Solo Traveler, and if I'm not mistaken, this is your 9th visit to Hornbill Festival. So we will ask you some questions, and you have to be very honest with the answers. So, this is your 9th time. So what has been different for you? Every year जब आप यहाँ आते हो, तो क्या अलग दिख पाता है?
सबसे पहले तो इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर, तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया दिखता है जिससे इम्प्रूव हो रहा है स्ट्रक्चर, और इसको और बेहतर कर सकते हैं टाइम टू टाइम। और मैं 9 साल से देख रहा हूँ थोड़ा फूड प्राइस थोड़ा हाइक होता जा रहा है हर साल जैसा, और टिकट प्राइस भी व्हेन आई केम उस टाइम पे आई थिंक 20-30 रुपीज़ था, अब 150 हो गया है। 150 वर्थ इट है वैसे तो, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा फेस्टिवल है। लेकिन जो हॉर्नबिल म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल है, इसका 200 का जो टिकट है, अगर इसका गेट पे ही इंक्लूड कर दे तो 350 एक ही बार वहाँ पे कर दे तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा, क्योंकि इससे रेवेन्यू भी अच्छा जनरेट होगा। और अब 2 बार देना पड़ रहा है तो लोग थोड़ा सा ऐसे फील करते हैं कि यार हर बार पैसा देना पड़ रहा है, तो इसका लोगों को 200 देने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन उनको लगता है कि वो गेट पे दिया फिर यहाँ दिया, 350 वहीं कर दो ज़्यादा अच्छा है। और मैं तो वेजिटेरियन हूँ, तो मुझे यहाँ पे एक प्योर वेजिटेरियन कैफ़े है डॉक्टर केनी का, तो वहाँ पे मुझे जो है वेज रोटी और सब्जी 100 रुपीज़ में मिल रही है, और नॉन वेजिटेरियन का तो आई डोंट हैव आइडिया, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है, मैं खाता नहीं हूँ इसलिए।
सिंस यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन, तो आप ड्रिंक्स के बारे में कुछ बोल सकते हो? लाइक ड्रिंक्स का प्राइस कैसा है और यहाँ का क्वालिटी कैसा है, मतलब पिछले साल और इस साल से?
मैं तो जूथो यानी कि राइस बियर ही पीता हूँ, तो प्राइस कहीं पे जैसे कि आर्मी का मोरोंग है वहाँ जाओगे, जूथो का आपका स्मॉल ग्लास 50 रुपीज़ है, कहीं 100 रुपीज़ है, अंगामी मोरोंग में 200 है, तो ये ठीक है, इतना वर्थ इट है अगर प्योर है तो।
Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you'll visit for the 10th time as well. So, is this your first time in Hornbill?
Yeah, it's our first time. Yeah.
So, how has your experience been so far here?
Mine is like really great. I am finding it really interesting. Like, it's really, really new to me. So, it's been so wonderful so far. Yeah.
I landed here yesterday and the experience so far is the best.
So, have you tried any food and drinks out here?
Yeah, we did. We tried rice beer from different tribes and some cuisines from different tribes as well, and it was very good. Also smoked pork and all those stuff.
Alright, since you have tried smoked pork and local beers from all the morungs, I'd like to ask you one question. Like, how do you find the price out here at Kisama?
I think so. It's reasonable, available. We can afford it. So yeah.
I found it a bit expensive. I mean, not generally in food, I don't know because I haven't tried it from outside, but I think like the stuff in general is a bit expensive here because of the festivities and all. Yeah, the food is actually really good, but it also depends on the stalls, I think. So, yeah, it's like a bit expensive, but like not too much.
It is expected that it will be expensive only because, yeah, of course they want, like they have local stuff and all, so yeah, it's expected it's expensive, but yeah, it's fun and in trying new things. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time and thank you for your honesty. I hope you have a good time. So, are you from Nagaland itself?
Yes, I am from Nagaland.
So, have you tried anything here, the food and drinks, and how has your experience been so far, like being a Naga?
Yeah, I've tried foods in the Morong. It's good. The prices are, this year it's average, it's good. Like it's all 350, so it's affordable prices.
So since most of us here in Nagaland belong to the middle class, so do you think the price cap that is 350 is affordable, or what's your honest opinion?
I guess it will be good if it's a little less. Yeah, but it's good this year. So far, like from last year, it's very good this year. Yeah.
So how has your Hornbill experience been so far?
It's great. It's amazing, and I'm so proud to be a Naga itself. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for your honest opinion. Okay, ma'am. So are you from Nagaland?
Yeah, I'm from Nagaland. I'm from Dimapur, actually.
So is this your first day, or have you been here?
Yeah, today is my first day. I have not been able to come before because I was busy, and I could come only today.
So as a Dimapurian, how do you find the Hornbill Festival? It's held every year in Kohima. So, and how has your Hornbill experience been so far?
See, I was in Coimba for many years, so I never failed to miss Hornbill. It was always my favorite, festival. So I have been here all the time. Every year I come here. And this year, since I'm based at Dimapur, I couldn't make it for the opening. And I love this festival. Everything is very nice. And I love it. I may be a Naga, but I feel that, every time I come here is something different.
So have you tried any food or drinks here?
Yes. Yes, I always come for the food and drinks only.
So on that, how do you find the price out here at Kisama? The prices of the food and the drinks?
Last year it was a little bit on the expensive side. But this year I feel that it's much reasonable. Much reasonable and quite affordable for everybody. Little bit on the expensive side, but okay, fine. I mean, in a festival you have to peel off something more.
Thank you so much for your honest opinion. And then, since you have been here for so many years and you come here every day, not every day, every year, so how can the Hornbill Festival improve since you have been a regular here?
I think it's improving every year. I feel so. I mean, it's much better than what it was last year with all the infrastructure and all that. I think it's improving every year. The only thing, I feel that I should tell our people to be more tourist friendly. Our, those who are, who has come here from far-flung places. If we can all, come up and give them a much better treatment, even being a taxi driver or whatever, whoever we are, I think we should be more hospitable. Yeah.
Okay, so you've mentioned that you've been coming here every year, and then your heart lies here. So a lot of tourists who come here are also vegetarians. So do you have any idea, or can you say something about the food out here? Because most of the things that is available here is non-veg. So have you found anything as such?
Actually, all these years, many years, I think the last 10, 15 years I've been here, we Nagas have a lot of beautiful, tasty, exotic foods. But I had a lot of friends who used to say that they would love to have some, non-veg food, those veg foods, which is, most of that are not available here. But this year I noticed that there is the State Institute of Hotel Management, Dimapur, has opened it's right here. Actually, I had gone there also. I have not tried, but they have opened a stall this year with pure non-veg food. And I just went to have a look, and they have a lot of non-veg veg foods. So I think that will be a big boost for our vegetarian tourists who are coming here. I feel so. I mean, I really appreciated that.
All right. Thank you so much for the information as well. तो अपनियान अजिला अपडेट तो साइलुशे महान यदेला किसामा ला last time previous years khande bishi dam bishi ezuna khana aro drinks khan na huilibi tahan tourists kan huilibi yadela locals kan huile bishi criticize guna thakise to this time the kwanishna tourism la director rabi kwa nishna tahan food la price to huile 350 de cap guna ase to tahan bi mixed opinions ase mon bishi wala to tourists khan ge udise aro local khan ge bi udise some find it affordable, some find it expensive huilibi bishi wala to positive response taishe to itu thaise ajila ground report reporter Yomi with camera person Joy, Hornbill TV, Kisama.